So I worked this morning, but still got a chance to get out a little bit early, and I'm going to do something that I haven't done ever before, and that's just a quick overnight camp. One of the nice things about car camping, again, you can go to quick overnight stops, and in this case, I'm checking out Harrington Beach State Park, so I'm looking forward to checking that out. But I have some time, so I'm just going to drive and see what comes my way. Okay, so I'm here early. I'm gonna just go by my site, see if anybody's there, because then I could set up even earlier. But I think at least what I'll do is I'm gonna flip things up and park near Trailhead and do a hike before I set up. You're coming with me. So this is why you check your site out early. Nobody's here. I can park. It's just about noon. Normal check-in is 3 o'clock. I'm gonna get set up and then I'm gonna start exploring the park. So you saw the sign too, Lake Michigan is ahead. That's where I'm going because whenever there's water, I love to find water. Now, so far, getting to Lake Michigan from the campsite, a little bit of a hike, which is nice because I'm looking for a hike, but it's mainly on the main road. So I'm kind of off on the edge. You know, great scenery. You can feel the breeze. You can feel the lake just around the corner. So far, so good. Okay, I can smell it. The lake is here. Oh, I love this.
So I love seeing water. Lake Michigan is absolutely beautiful. I actually put my hand in the water. It's a little cold, but still okay because it's actually hot out here. But you know me, anytime I'm near water, I love it. This was a great hike. A little long getting from the camping location, but again, once you get here, it's absolutely beautiful and totally worth it.
Okay, the sky does not look good right now. My app says it's going to rain, I think in about 15 minutes. Yeah, it looks like it's going to rain in about 15 minutes. So I'm inside. It's expected to rain. We'll see how that goes. I still have my side windows open. They have the mesh shield on it. We'll see whether or not I have to get out and roll up the windows. But right now it kind of feels cozy. It's a little breeze and I like it. The big difference now, I made a little adjustment to my sleeping situation. I'm actually on a board, just a 2x4 board that I have here, and it's supported up at the head, and then my 4-inch trifold mattress is on top of that. So we'll see how that steadies up this time, and in the morning hopefully I will have had a restful sleep. But until then, just gonna chill out for a little bit, check some emails, and then go to sleep. And then we'll do it all again tomorrow. See ya. Don't know if you can hear, but there's some drops coming down. Nothing major yet, but there is some rain. Whew, this will be interesting. First time in my car during the rain. Good morning. So the night was pretty good, except for that one walk in the middle of the night. But other than that, it was pretty good. The bathhouses here, just so you know, are just absolutely fantastic. They have great showers as well, and it is just, you know, one of the highlights of this park, I have to be honest. It's just really cool. The mattress worked a lot better now that I have a board underneath. That's the tweak I made, and so far I'm digging it. Still trying to find my balance of sleeping in a car, but I think it's getting better. Now, I'm gonna make some breakfast, head back to the lake just for one final look, and then that'll be it. So let's go eat something this morning. camp is all packed up. The quick overnight trip was a great one. I'm going to check out Lake Michigan one more time before we head on back home. Now this is the way to wrap up a stay at a nice state park. Harrington Beach State Park, absolutely fantastic. I would highly, highly recommend it. Check it out if you can. You get to see stuff like this. Beautiful. Hey, that's gonna do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, explore, enjoy these beautiful state parks. I think you'll really appreciate it. We'll see you next time.